This video disproves Volta's Toll-to-Solve-Congestion theory. This was a nice theory to charge a toll of the cost difference between the two roads. He claimed that such a toll imposes no extra cost to the drivers. When more drivers pour onto the good road 2, congestion will arise, and drivers' costs will also increase. To keep his promise of no extra cost, neither reduced their toll accordingly. Voters reproduced a nice traffic theory, but concentrated on the congestion part. Instead of giving discount to the unfortunate drivers, voters advocated taxing them more to ease congestion, so he said. Unlike the night one, voters' toll has no limit. All toll collectors are robbers, but Waters is the most ruthless one. Here is how he has become so. X is traffic cost, while D traffic demand. Since X is an increasing function, there must be a marginal curve above it. Suppose the current traffic quantity is T. A toll of the difference between MC and X will reduce traffic to T pi according to Waters. When MC intersects the demand curve at T pi, traffic is said to be efficient. Here is the first objection. If a toll is so powerful, can it eliminate accidents and the subsequent congestion? Another objection. What if the congestion is caused by toll collection itself? Waters' theory looks more like economics, but it is not flawless. If T pi is really the target, the correct toll should be 1 up to the intersection of the demand and MC curves. Waters has overshot the target. The corrected Waters toll may still look effective, but not for too long. Consider first the case when there is no congestion. The cost line is horizontal. The corresponding MC must be always the same as X. Then Waters' toll must be 0. Next, consider the case when there is congestion. When drivers are stuck in the traffic jam, their cost rises indefinitely. So their demand is perfectly inelastic or vertical. When demand is a vertical line, Waters' congestion toll cannot reduce traffic or solve congestion. Some toll-controlled zones seem to offer evidence that toll is effective in reducing congestion. But that is true only during the off-peak hours. Then the toll must be 0, as just proved. Even Waters' standard model with a negative demand and a positive X function cannot protect his theory from being disqualified. He treated the MC for traffic supply so as to work out the exaggerated toll from the difference between MC and X. However, since X does not represent supplier's cost, neither X nor MC is a traffic supply function. When MC is not a traffic supply, water supply adjustment has no mechanism to follow, and his toll no justification. Up to this point, Water's theory is completely disproved. When a dictator or monopolist wants to test its subjects, it does not require any reason, not even solving congestion as one. Water's flattening is unnecessary. Apart from his unnecessary theory, there is also an ethical issue with Waters. When congestion has already raised drivers' cost, applying the ineffective toll is rubbing salt to their wounds. Hence, Waters' toll is even a shame. Toll and congestion are two evils that harm road users and the society. But Waters is a double evil.